Hey guys, welcome to Living Survival. Today we're going to be reviewing the CRKT M1601KS. This is the stainless steel version. You can also get a Zytel body. This is the frame lock version. It is 7.125 inches overall, 3.125 inch blade length. It's got 8 CR13 MOV steel. It is a spear point, which I really like. It's a little bit different than your typical drop point. You can get it in serrated or non-serrated, stainless or black finish. I really like this one. It's really really compact and thin. It does have an interchangeable pocket clip. You can put it right or left side, tip down. Also has an ambidextrous thumb stud, making it another great option for left-handed EDC. It is a flipper opening, so you have this flipper up here with a little bit of jimping on it, and that allows you to quickly deploy the blade. It's got a really nice lockup. There's no movement there at all, and it also seats fairly nicely. It's a little bit off to one side. The frame lock kind of pushes it a little bit, but it doesn't rub or anything, so it's okay. I just love this stainless body. Really attractive. It's got some jimping up here by the thumb stud. The thumb studs themselves are textured. Then it's also got some jimping on the flipper and on the frame lock. It weighs in at 2.8 ounces. Comes from China. And it is Carson designed. This knife retails for about $49, but you can pick them up for around $29. Fits in the hand really well, and the flipper acts as sort of a finger guard. Really comfortable in the hand. So let's go ahead and do some cutting with it. Comes relatively sharp from the factory. Do think I'll touch this one up a bit. Definitely struggles a little bit on cardboard. Definitely not the sharpest from the factory. So we'll see how it does on some strap material. Pretty good. Definitely not as sharp as some knives come. And we'll try it here on some wood. Pretty good job. Overall, not real satisfied with the sharpness right out of the box, but I'm sure that can be touched up. making it a great EDC knife. So I hope you enjoyed this review of the CRKT M1601KS, the stainless version. Please give it a thumbs up, leave me your comments below, and as always, subscribe for more videos.